Changing the language in the iCloud app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings according to your preference. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your device. This is where you can access all the system preferences, including language settings. Step 2. Tap on General. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select General. This section contains various options related to your device's configuration. Step 3. Select Language and Region. Within the General settings, find and tap on Language and Region. This option allows you to change the language settings for your device. Step 4. Choose Preferred Language. In the Language and Region menu, you will see a list of languages. Tap on Add Language if your desired language is not listed, or select your preferred language from the existing options. Step 5. Confirm Changes. After selecting your preferred language, confirm the changes when prompted. Your device will update the language settings, and the iCloud app will reflect the new language choice. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the iCloud app to suit your needs. Enjoy using your app in your preferred language.